Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, given radius of the curve r is equal to 8.73 kilometer, which is equal to 8.73 into 10 raised to 3 meter, bank angle theta equal to 33 degree. Now, as per the equations, tan theta is equal to v square by rg, from where v square is equal to rg tan theta, thus v is equal to square root of rg tan theta. Thus, on substituting the values, v is equal to square root of 8.73 into 10 raised to 3 into g is acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81 into tan of 33 degree. On simplifying this, we will get the value of v, or the velocity, as 235.71 meters per second. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.